Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2021 Kawasaki Teryx KRX 1000. We've just installed a street legal kit on it, and it is a mixture of street legal kits. Now when a customer comes up with an idea, we figure out how to pull it off here at Big Pine Sports. So what have we done? You guys have seen our videos in the past where we've shown the RYCO 4200A kit, which you see here. It does replace the grille, has some sweet accent lighting here that is integrated into turn signals. But this particular customer, due to his height, did not want to do the RYCO stock column that you're used to in the RYCO kits. So we have actually combined the RYCO kit with the XTC turn signal kit, as you see here. We're going to go a little bit of functionality here and show you a little bit about how this works. So you can see that he's got all his room here that he needs, and you have the functionality of both the XTC and the RYCO kit. How does it work? Hit up on this button, your right flasher is going to flash. Pretty sweet, right? So if you hit the XTC button briefly, it's going to flash for 5 seconds. If you hold it down longer, it's going to flash for a longer period of time, and you have the four-way hazard function. Right? How does it work in the rear? It still ties into the tail lights, utilizing all of those LEDs in the back. Very nice, very bright, very clean. Nice custom factory look. To release the hazards, just simply hit the hazard button again. You've got your horn button right there below the hazards. And then, of course, if you are doing the combination of the RYCO and the XTC kit, you're going to either need to do the XTC rear plate mount with light, or in this case, we've used the RYCO plate mount and light. What do you guys think of this combination? Should we offer it up on our website? Give us your thoughts. We'll see what we can pull off for you. Super happy with the results. Turned out really nice. Took us a minute to figure it out, but we got it, because that's what we do here at Big Pine Sports. Give us a call, 435-427-3338. Check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. And there you have it. Combination of the RYCO 4200A with the XTC kit, available here at Big Pine Sports. We'll write up a little review when we get a moment, post it up in the description below, have some part numbers, let us know if you're interested. Have a great night, everybody.